Will I buy it again? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is wash day, as you can tell from my hair being out in a bun. Today we are using the Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. This is a deep conditioner that I picked up like many months ago, so it's December now, December the 12th, and I think I got this, it's been so long since I've bought hair products, so this is old for me. This isn't a recent purchase, but I got this a couple of months ago and it's wash day, so I figured let me try it out. My hair isn't feeling super dry. My hair is mostly just horrible and dirty. But anyway guys, before I keep you here any longer, let's jump straight into the video. I can't really tell how like dark it is, so hopefully it's not super dark, although it's only 1 p.m. It's like 1:20 and it's so dark already outside. But anyway, I've got my laptop down here and I have the Aunt Jackie's website open, as well as the Murphy's Beauty website open. So this is, like I said, the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. This is $10.95 on the Aunt Jackie's website, and on the Murphy's Beauty website this is only $4.99. However, I paid $5.49 and this is 15 ounces or 426 grams, so there is a lot of product in here. On the Aunt Jackie's website, they say that this is great for hair textures that are curly and or coily, that is chronically dry and experiencing breakage or shedding due to chemical treatment. I've not done chemical treatment in so long, but my hair is prone to dryness, and after the last time I washed my hair's just been feeling really weird anyway, so I think this will still be really good for me. And they say this is especially effective for post-protective styling, hair types 2C to 4C, and repairing natural hair damage by colour and wearing weaves and wigs. I do wear wigs literally every day, so I'm very excited about this on my hair as well. Then in terms of what this will do for your hair, they say repair beyond compare. Aunt Jackie's special blend of flaxseed and avocado and coconut oils is used to help repair damage, stop breakage, soften, shine, moisturize, and condition dry, brittle, wiry hair. With carrot oils to deliver nutrients into the hair shaft, Aunt Jackie's flaxseed recipe is rich in omega fatty acids and helps noticeably improve the overall condition of hair. We love that. I think one thing that I really do love about Aunt Jackie's products is that they have a bunch of ingredients that are just really good for your hair, and they just, you know, they protect your hair, they make your hair feel good and make your hair feel really rich and like nourished and well taken care of. In terms of ingredients, this has flaxseed, mango butter, shea butter, and avocado and coconut oil, and this has no mineral oil and no petroleum, so if those are two ingredients that you don't like in your hair products, this does not have that in there. They do say that you can use this two ways, so if you want to do it as like a quick rinse out treatment, then you will put this on your hair for about 5 minutes and then rinse it out. But if you want a more intense treatment, then you will leave this on your hair for about 10 minutes underneath the dryer and then you rinse it out. Me, I'm going to probably leave this in for about like 10 to 15 minutes just because I do want a more intense treatment, but because I don't have a dryer, I feel like I need to leave it on my hair for a bit longer to like work into my hair. But right now, quickly, before I do head off to rinse my hair, I do want to do like a mini length check because we've not length checked in quite a while. So let me take off my headband. Although actually the way my bun is so random, but I do love that I can literally put all of the hair, like all of the hair is in my bun apart from like my edges in the back. Everything is literally in the bun. Like, do you see? Everything. I love it. I love it, I love it. I used to dream of the day when I could put my hair into a bun without any whatevers, and now that day is here. I love it. Okay, so this is the hair. My scalp is so itchy. My hair needs a detangle, but I'm gonna do that when I wash my hair. This is the hair. This is what we're looking like. The hair is quite big. I want it to be bigger still. In terms of length, let's see, I don't think it's probably grown like any more than the last time I did a length check. Last time it was kind of almost at my boob. It's kind of like not that long. I haven't cut it or anything, so it's not even grown like that much. So there, I just feel like It's not that long. I really feel like, to be honest, my hair has not actually grown really that much because, to be honest, I'm not really doing anything to my hair. I don't know when this video is going out. I don't know if this is going to go out in December or in January, but I feel like my goal for 2022 is really just to continue growing out my hair, but to just start taking care of my hair a lot more and maybe go to a hairdresser for the first time in my life. I've never been to a hairdresser. The only people who've really ever done my hair is like me, my mum and my sister. Like no one else has ever touched my hair. My brother did once, but then he left me with a bald patch because he literally cut out a knot from my hair. So we'll see how comfortable I am. I just have a phobia of hairdressers and like hairstylists and stuff like that, but not that any of you guys asked at all. Anyway guys, I actually do want to get a fringe. The front of my hair comes like way off my chin. This comes way off. I think we're definitely growing, but I just want my hair to grow more and to be thicker and more vivacious, I guess. But anyway guys, so this is my hair. This is what it looks like and I love it. This has been like 6 years in the making, so I'm just so grateful. I'm so happy. But anyway guys, so now I'm gonna go and wash my hair, and then when I come back we're going to put in this deep conditioner together and I'm going to talk you through first impressions and all of that stuff. So I will see you guys in just a moment. I'm back. I've just washed my hair. If you are familiar with any of my hair wash day videos, then you already know the shampoo that I use. If you're not familiar and this is your first hair video with me, welcome. I shampooed my hair using the Born Beautiful Naturals Moisture Silk sulfate free shampoo. I love this shampoo. It's lasted me so well. I'm about halfway through the bottle. I love it because this is a really effective cleansing shampoo that doesn't strip your hair or make your hair feel like, I don't know, there's something about regular shampoo that I really dislike, but this is the first shampoo that I've used in about 6 years that I just really love. So definitely worth a look out. I'm gonna have this shampoo linked down below in case you want to check that out. But now we are on to the deep condition. So hair is dry. Hey guys. So I've brought you in a bit too close. So I'm just gonna section my hair like I like to do. I section my hair in quarters because it's easier for me to manage with my hair. So I've got my sections. I've got back section, then I've got my front section, and then I'm just gonna leave, where are my clips? And I'm just gonna clip this side. Okay, so hair is sufficiently clipped just so it's out of the way. So let me have another grape. I'm eating grapes right now because I've got such a headache. So yeah, I've got my sections. I'm gonna open up my conditioner for the first time. Ooh, and it's got the lid on it. So as first impressions go by the smell, this leaves a lot to be desired. This is definitely not one of Aunt Jackie's best smelling products in my opinion. This kind of smells like it's going to be good for your hair because it smells like E45 cream to me. So yes, so this is what it is. I'm just going to scrape the inner bit, waste not want not, as my mum used to say, and then just going to put that on my palm. So it kind of looks like cottage cheese actually. I wish it smelled nice. In terms of texture, like it is quite thick. Oh, this is very thick. So I've just taken like a clump like that. Like it's very hard and quite thick, although it could be because my room isn't super warm, so it's not had a time to like melt. This definitely feels like it's going to condition your hair in an amazing way because it feels very, very thick. Probably put on way too much. The smell though, I don't like the smell. It smells quite plastic. Ugh, the smell is quite strong. Bit inside as I like to do, and essentially that is that. Like my hair doesn't feel the nicest, like it's not giving my hair like an instant like spongy soft nice feeling. So I'm thinking this might be a thing that once it's been on the hair for a while it might make my hair feel nicer, but right now my hair does not feel that nice. I might put some more in the ends because my ends suffer. And then my arms are aching. Twist that around into a mini space bun, get the clip, and then that's what I'm gonna do. I'm now gonna repeat this for my other sections, but I'm just gonna speed through it because I don't feel like there's really much to show or to say. But then once we finish at the end, then I'm going to talk to you more about what I think about this and how I feel having it all on my head. So I'll see you in a second. I'm finished. All of this stuff is in my hair. So in terms of first impressions, what I think about this deep conditioner, this hair mask, from having just put it in my hair. Right now, I can say this isn't my favorite Aunt Jackie's hair product. I don't know, there's something about this that I'm just not really super excited about. I don't like the smell, first of all. I like the feeling of it just on my hand and then on my hair. When I compare it to some of their other products, like their Cocoa Repair Cream, for me, this just doesn't quite compare. Compared to like the Thirst Quenching Rescued Mask, this doesn't quite compare. I'm trying to think of other products that I've tried from theirs. Even like that blue deep conditioning hair mask, I prefer a lot more to this, which says a lot because the texture of that mask I'm not really a big fan of, but I prefer it a lot more to this. I don't know, I feel like this is definitely, I can say, something with your hair is super dry, super brittle. It really needs that TLC because it just feels very like hard. There's nothing, it doesn't feel very soft, very inviting, if you can say that about a hair product. Will I buy it again? The jury's still out on it. I think I need to wait until once it's been in my hair for like 20 minutes and I've rinsed it out. Then I think I'll probably know, but we'll see when I come back at the end in like 20 minutes. Then we'll discuss whether or not I will rebuy, but definitely not a favorite of mine. You can use this for 12 months after it's been opened, so I will probably still be using this December 2022, maybe even January 2023. Wow, because you don't really need a whole lot of product on your hair, and I kind of feel like I put in just way too much. But yeah, I think apart from that, we'll just have to see how my hair is feeling at the end. So anyway guys, I'm going to put on a timer. Got my timer on, and with that I will see you guys in 20 minutes. Hi guys, so it's been probably about 30 minutes. I decided to have a shower because why not? And I don't know why I know that my showers are so long, yet I was like, I can shower in 7 minutes. Could not shower in 7 minutes. Anyway guys, so I've just had a shower. I'm now going to take out my hair clips. So first of all, the smell is still smelling. I can smell it throughout all of my shower, which is not the most ideal. I just didn't really like it. So the smell's a no from me. Oh, but right now my hair feels very like moisturized and like it's had a nice treatment in it. I think also because I did have a shower, I feel like the steam from my shower really helped. Wow, that's hard. So I feel like the steam from my shower really helped the deep conditioner to like really get in deeper. So this is the hair now. Shrinkage is real. We already know this. And this is basically what the hair is looking. Camera quality is trash because the sun is setting in less than an hour. It's actually insane. But right now I'm gonna go and rinse this out, and then I will meet you in front of my proper camera. But just wanted to show you what the hair looks like. It feels so different and it feels really nice. So I can definitely see myself using this like once every couple of months, just when my hair is really in need of something. But the smell is an issue. But anyway guys, I'm gonna go rinse this out and then I will see you in just a second. I will keep this brief because the sun is setting in like 45 minutes, which is insane. It's literally 3:06 right now. I can't believe. Anyway, so I finished rinsing out my hair, rinsing out this deep conditioner. After I was rinsing out my hair, like I just noticed that my hair didn't feel soft, like soft, spongy, like really nice, how I know that a lot of the Aunt Jackie's hair masks leave my skin feeling. However, this did leave my hair feeling like it had been given something extra. So I think for those times when my hair is feeling really dry, so I think in like January, February time when the temperatures are really cold in the UK, I think that is when I'm going to be whipping this out to use, because I think my hair would just benefit from this a lot more if it was in like a worse condition. But because I'd moisturized my hair like 2 days ago, was it 2 days ago? Yeah, I moisturized my hair like 2 days ago, so really my hair hasn't been feeling super dry and stripped or anything like that. But I can see how this is good if your hair is super dry, so I'm gonna wait to use this again when my hair is feeling super dry. But really apart from that, it's okay. Will I buy this again? Probably not, just because it's not wow, it's not an amazing deep conditioner for me anyway, and I prefer every other Aunt Jackie's deep conditioner compared to this, so I can't see myself rebuying this again. And for how much there is, it's gonna take me like a year to get through anyway, so I'm in a rush to rebuy. If you want to know more about other hair products that I've been using and loving over the last couple of years, make sure you check out my hair playlist, because in that playlist it's just a lot of hair products that I've been using, and I think actually pretty much all of them I really like. So check out that playlist if you want more deep conditioner kind of recommendations. I think that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. up. And in the meantime, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.